Hey.
Yeah, so, anyway, a friend of mine in here tells me that a close friend of yours, girl you've been spending a lot of time with recently, swept her clean off her feet.
Okay.
Yeah, her old boyfriend wants her back.
They always do.
Desperately and quickly, and he's looking for her. I think you and her should go out on a glamorous date in Algonquin. Show her a new pad. Then, things will be okay between you two. But move your fucking ass, pal. Women don't like a chump, you get me?
Hey guys, what's going on? Sam says it here, bringing you some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions gameplay. This is the mission called She's the Keeper. And yeah, I mean, all you have to do is you just have to pick her up from A to B. And of course there will be, as usual, the mob chasing you.
You're moving her over to Bowling Street.
Not in the cab of this car, I'm not. After last time, she can ride in the trunk.
Fair enough. Bitch just bit me. I think she has something to say.
Motherfuckers, when my daddy finds you, he's gonna kill you. He's gonna kill everybody you've
Get
ever
you
met.
around.
Thanks a lot.
Alright, there you go. So so now that she could talk, obviously she will continue to annoy you. But never mind. So of course the Ancelotti goons will be onto you, so you just have to drive. All you have to do is just drive, ignore them, just focus on your driving, because the more you damage the car, the more likely you will kill Gracie. So you just have to drive them and just eventually just drive over to this destination just to complete the mission.
Nico, my man. Katie's taking over on my duty, so I'll be watching this Guido bitch for you. Where is she?
In the trunk. She don't play too nice up front.
Gracie, Gracie, act nice now.
You motherfuckers, I'll rip your cocks off! Help! Help me! Let me out of here!
She's a wild one.
I'm scared!
I'll try to calm her down.
Let me out!
See you later, Nico.
No, I'm gonna fucking kill you! I'll fucking kill you! Yeah!
Alright, there you go. Once you complete the mission, $9,750. And that is it, simple as that. You just have to drive Gracie to this from A to B, and just to without damaging the car, so you just have to focus on driving. Easy as that. I'm Sam Senze, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm out. Peace.